Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious watermelon sorbet. Let's begin by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of cubed, seedless watermelon, ensuring it's perfectly ripe for the best flavor. We'll also use 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and just a tiny pinch of salt. These few items are all it takes to create a refreshing, homemade treat that everyone will love. Get ready for a delightful culinary adventure. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a smooth, vibrant puree. Carefully add the 4 cups of cubed watermelon, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the pinch of salt into your blender. Process everything until it's perfectly smooth, with no visible chunks. This step is crucial for achieving that silky sorbet texture. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sugar or lime if you prefer it sweeter or tartar. We're almost there. Once your watermelon mixture is perfectly blended, it's time for the chilling and freezing process. Pour the smooth puree into a shallow, freezer-safe pan. A 9 by 13-inch baking dish works wonderfully. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap or a lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until it becomes firm. For the creamiest texture, stir the mixture every 30 to 60 minutes during the first few hours of freezing. This helps break up ice crystals. Congratulations, your homemade watermelon sorbet is ready to be enjoyed. Once it's firm enough to scoop, take it out of the freezer. Use an ice cream scoop to create beautiful, refreshing portions. Serve your sorbet in chilled bowls or cones to keep it cool longer. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with a fresh mint sprig or a small lime wedge. This vibrant, sweet, and tangy treat is perfect for any warm day. Enjoy every single spoonful of your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.